Hello and welcome. Today we talk about a Symbius, which is Alliot's IoT middleware platform. It is designed to simplify your cellular IoT deployments. It sits between your NB-IoT and LTE-M sensors and your dashboard or data analysis platform. Data recorded by your sensors will be transmitted to the Symbius IoT middleware platform, where it is decoded into a common format. This makes it possible for your data to be easily understood and shared across your applications and business processes. The decoded data will feed through to your chosen platform by a single API. So here we are now, looking at the Symbius login screen. Now we need the email address and the password for our account to log in, and once we are logged into the web interface, you can see that the platform is designed in a very simplified way. It contains 4 sections with various information. To go to any section, you should click on any of the following tabs: Dashboard, Devices, Customers, or Users. Now let's start with Dashboard. Dashboard contains the basic overview of your accounts. In here you can view your customers' accounts, see the number of devices, and a list of basic events. Then we got a Devices tab. In this section you can see a list of devices connected to Symbius. You can click any of these devices to see more information about them. For example, now you can click on device data to see the decoded data from the selected device. You can also filter the data by date and also time. This might come in handy if you wish to find the values at the exact date. At the time of recording, there are devices from 2 manufacturers supported, Ifento and IM Buildings. It is planned to expand the portfolio of supported devices in the future. To add a device, go to Device menu on the left-hand side and select Add Devices button in the top right corner. Then in the pop-up window, fill all the information required, such as device type, device name, description, and the serial number, and also the status. If you want the device to be active or not active at the moment, you can put a tag as well and then hit create. You can always edit the device once you've got it added. To do that, click on the device name. Then in the device details tab, you can hit edit. And then in the pop-up, you can change a couple of options here: the customer name, the device name, description, and the status or the tag. Once you get that done, you can click Save. The next section to have a look at is the Customer section. So on the left-hand side from the menu, click Customers tab. In this section, you can view a list of your customers with the number of devices that they have purchased a license for. When you click on a customer, you can see more details about their devices. It's possible to edit the customer details by clicking Edit button in the top left corner. Changes that are possible to make are the profile picture, customer name, status, and the device limit as well. To add a new customer, go to the Customer sections on the left hand side and then click Add Customer button in the top right corner. Then in the pop-up window, fill in all the details. Keep in mind that the customers cannot be easily removed, so make sure you double check the details before clicking Create. When creating a customer, you can add the picture logo, give them a name, select the parent customer, and set the device limit. The next section is a User section. You can preview the list of all users with your customers' organizations in here. You can see their users' email addresses and also when they've been logged in to the portal. To add a new user, click Add User icon in the top right corner. Then select the customer, add type of the account, and the first and last name, and also the email address. All of those are required to create a new user. You can always preview the details of the user by clicking on the list. Then you can edit the user, but just the first and last name. So press edit button and you can adjust it in here. Email addresses always stay the same, so you cannot do that. Then the last but not least option is on the top left corner. When you click on the icon of your profile, you can see the pop-up. You can select the profile and that will show you your username and your profile you're logged in as. You can always do the same with the logout. Just select the logout option. Thank you for watching. I hope this made Symbius a bit more clear and simple to use. Thank you.